How to remove Facebook account from Instagram 2026. Want to disconnect your Facebook account from Instagram but can't figure out where the option is hiding? You're not alone. In the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlink them quickly and cleanly in 2026. Step 1. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines in the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account connection controls live. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Account Center. This is Meta's unified settings hub that controls how your Facebook and Instagram accounts are connected to each other. Most people don't realize this is where the unlinking actually happens, not inside Instagram's regular settings. Step 3. Inside Account Center, tap your Facebook account that is currently linked. You will see a list of all connected profiles and accounts under your Meta profile. Step 4. Tap Remove from Account Center and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the disconnection. Instagram will ask you to confirm your decision once or twice before fully unlinking the accounts. Tap Remove or Disconnect each time it asks until the process is complete. Step 5. Once removed, go back to your Instagram profile and refresh the page to confirm your Facebook account no longer appears as a linked profile anywhere on your account. Pro tip: before unlinking, make sure you remember your standalone Instagram login credentials, including your email and password. Once disconnected, you can no longer use Facebook to log into Instagram, so being locked out becomes a real risk if you haven't set up a direct Instagram password yet. To recap, go to Settings, open Account Center, select your Facebook account, tap Remove and confirm. Done in under 2 minutes. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick Instagram and Facebook guides, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. See you in the next one.